Hello dear students, today we are learning transformation. What means of transformation? Transformation means movement of a figure does not change its size or shape. Only we change the place, or we flipping the figure, or we rotating the figure, okay? Transformation means we moving the figure, okay, without changing the shape and the size of the figure. So we have three types of transformation, okay, three types of transformation. The first one is called what? The first one is called, this is the first one. It's called translation. What means of translation? Means slide a figure in a straight line is called slide a figure, or you can move from left to right, from right to left by a straight line directly, okay, sliding from top to bottom, from bottom to top, okay, we can slide by a straight line. This is called translation, okay. So the second type, this is the second one. The second type is reflection, called reflection. What means of reflection? Flipping a figure over a line is called reflection. For example, mirror, like a mirror. When you stand in front of the mirror, it flips your figure. This is, for example, this line is a mirror. This is the figure, your figure, okay? It's flipped your figure only. It show you again. So this is called what? Reflection. Flipping a figure over a line is called reflection, okay? So what means of rotation? Rotation, the third type is rotation. Means turn a figure around a point or vertex is called rotation, okay? Turning a figure around a point or vertex is called reflection. Okay, now we have this activity or this example. Okay, you need, so tell us what graph, this one. Graph a triangle with vertex 6 and 2. Okay, the first one, the second one is 9 and 2. The last one 9 and 7, okay. Trace it on a sheet or paper, color and cut it out. Place it on the triangle on the coordinate plane. Transform the triangle according to the direction. Name the orders of the pairs of a new vertex. Look, we have this one. Look, the first number every time is called X. Okay, X. The second number next to it is Y. Okay, again X for all the points and Y. Sorry, and again X and Y. Okay, now we have X and Y coordinate pairs, okay, X and Y lines, okay. So every time this is 0 point, okay. So after the 0 we have 1, 2, 3 until infinity numbers, blah blah blah, okay. X, this is called X. This horizontal line is X, this vertical line, this one is Y, okay. The vertical every time is Y, horizontal is X, okay. After that, at first we need to draw this figure. Tell us 6 and 2, the first point. 6 is X, 2 is Y, okay. How I draw it? Where's 6? 1, the first one is X, okay. So this X shows the 6, okay. This 6 I draw a line, okay. I draw this one. And Y is 2. This is 1 and 2. So I draw a line until I reach 6, okay. When I reach this when these two lines is overlapped together directly, you should put down 1 point, okay, on the corner. Look again, I do it. Look, we have what? The first one 6. Look, I draw a line from 6 to here. Okay, I draw it. After that, y of this 6x is 2, so I draw a line from 2. I draw it. When they join together, okay, or overlap together directly, put down this a point on here, okay, on here, and you write 6 and 2 point, okay. I put it. For the second point, we have 9 and 2, okay, 9 and 2, this one. So where's 9? Again, here is 9. I draw a line, okay, from here. I draw a line, and 2 is the same. Look, they are joining together at this point. This is called 9 and 2. So we have 2 points. I write 9 and 2 together. The last one is 9 and 7, okay, 9 and 7. Here, this is 9. I draw this line, look, from 9. I'll draw a line, okay, 9 and 7. 7 on Y, okay, 7. I draw this line from 7 to, okay. So when they overlap it together, are joining together, at which point? At this one. So I put down a point on here. So on this point, I'll write 9 and 7. After that, I erase all the lines. So only the points stay. I connect these points, okay, by ruler. I connect. Look, I remove that writing because that's not clear. After that, I put down. After I put down, I put it this point with this point. I show them how I did it. This point. After that, I connect together. Connect it together. Look. This point connect with this point, and this point connect with this point, and this point connect with this point. So I have one triangle, okay. So it tells us reflect this one. So translation, this one is reflected. The first one is reflected the triangle across the red line. So new ordered pair, it gives us the new ordered pair, okay. So 4 and 2 need to draw a line. After that, again we repeat the same steps. X, this one, look, this is X and Y. Again, X, Y, X, Y. After that, we find this point, these points, this point, this point, and this point, okay. We put it, we connect it, that's all. This is called what? This is reflected. So the second one is rotating the triangle 19 around the vertex, okay, means turning. So every time we use 19-degree rotation means turning. For example, we have a point here, only this point from left to top, from top to left or right, from right or left to bottom or top, only one movement. Now when we have this one on here, only this, we move it to top. This called rotating by 19 degrees angle. by angle 19 degrees. Okay, for example, in here only we from top we move this one to left. Okay, only when we move it to left, it means we rotated the triangles by 19 degrees. Okay, again we do a little look around one point. This point, it doesn't change. Okay, the first point, that's vertex, it doesn't change, and the others only change. Okay, we rotate it, and now the new pairs are these ones. Okay, so the last one is translate. Translate means, look, for example, I gave him translate this figure for vertex 3 units left and 1 unit down. What means of it? You need to draw this one, but 3 means left. You go 3 minutes left. Look, 3 units means you need to left it. Okay, or right means you need to change the x. For example, our x is here 6. Look, here is 6. When I tell them 3 units left, goes to this side. Sorry, you should go to left. Okay, when you go to left 3 unit, look, from 6, 1, 2, 3. On 3 you need to right again. You put down this point on 3. So from left or right, you should use x. Okay, from top down to top, top to down, you need to use y. For example, I tell you 1 units down. Okay, 1. So we have 2 here. Y is 2. When I move 1 units for down means all the y's is changed by 1. So only you need to come down. Okay, for down, and you draw again. You draw that pairs you give. Okay, so here I show you. Look, at first I draw this 3 point. I told you the first number every time is x. The second one is y. Again x, y. Again x and y. So I'll done the first one, 1 and 1. So x is 1. So where's 1? Here is 1. Yeah, I draw a line means I draw this line until here. I draw it. So 1 again, y is 1. So look, I draw a line from here to here, and when they join in together, I put 1 point. I put this point. Okay, so this is called 1 and 1. 1 and 1 together. This point 1 and 1. 1 and 1. The second one is 3 and 1. So look, where 3, this one is 3. 3 here, I draw a line. Again with 1. So look, this line, when I line it up directly, I get this point. Okay, so this is called what? Three and 1. This 1 and 1. This 3 and 1. So the last one is 1 and 4. Look, 1 is on x, this one, and 4. 4 is y. Look, I draw a line, sorry. I draw a line from 4, and I draw a line from 1 until I reach 4. So at this point I got the third one is called what? 1 and 4. Okay, now I connect these points together, okay, by using ruler. You should use ruler. I connect this point with this point. Look, this one with this one, and the last one. So I draw this one by using this one figures. Okay, now after that, for example, it tell me, for example, I tell you translate this figure. Okay, translate this figure by what? By you using these pairs. Okay, look, by this one. So the first one is tell me I transfer 3 with 3. Look, the 3 with 3. Look, this 3 I have x3 and y here 3 and here 3 by another color. I'll do it. Okay, 3 with 3. So I should the lines by this color. Draw a line from 3 and from the 3 to when they'll join in together at this point. Okay, so I put down this point by red. So this is the first point. I have 3 and 3. The second one, look, 3 and 1. Where 3? This 3, I have it, and 1. 1 is here. So I draw this one. So I got this point. Look, 3 and 1. So the third one is 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Okay, 6, I have 6 and 3. Where 6, this 6 means x is 6. I draw a line from 6 because I don't do mistake. And 3, where 3 is here, directly I'll line it up. So at this point they overlapped together. So look, I redraw this one. So I have these 3 points. Okay, now I connect it together. The first one, the second one, sorry, and the last one we connect together. Look, so this was type of transformation. We studied 3 types. Which types of transformation we have it? Look at here, this one. Okay, this what? Rotation, reflection, sorry, reflection, rotation, sorry, rotation. Okay, so again it shows rotation here. Do you understand? I gave you an exam like this. I give you these two pairs and you should tell me which types of transformation. Okay, translation, reflection, or rotation. So this one is called what? Rotation. You should write for me sorry. Rotation. Okay, I hope all of them understand very well. Now I give you your homework, and this one is your homework. Okay, now we have this schedule. When you translate a figure, you move all of the vertices the same number of the space in the same direction, so all of order pairs change in the same way. This table shows in the order pairs when translate the points. Look, for example, translate of 3 and 4. Translate 3 and 4 means move 3 space to the right. Okay. Add 3 to the first number in the pairs. 3 plus 3, so equal to 6. 6 plus 4. So the second one is move 2 space to left, means subtract it from, for example, we have this 3, you need to remove 2 from this one. 3 minus 2 is 1, so the new one is 1. If you goes to right, you add numbers. If you goes to left, you subtract numbers. Okay, from the first number. Move 4 space to up. Up again means add numbers. Means, for example, you have 3 and 4 at that time, you need 3 with up means y, so 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Then you want 6 equal to 8. Okay, move 3 space down. Down means subtract y, minus it y. So we had don't touch up and down, don't touch x. Left and right, don't touch y. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 and 1. Okay, and this is your homework. I hope all of them understand very well. Have a nice day. Bye.